Welcome to BVG Automotive. This is the 2015 Mercedes-Benz C Class 1.6 C180 AMG Sport Edition. Finished in white with a half-leather and cloth interior. A sleek coupe that delivers sporty AMG looks with comfort and refinement, and it's topped off with a panoramic roof that fills the cabin with light and luxury. From the side, it sits low and sporty on 18-inch AMG alloys, with gloss black trim, a flowing silhouette, and that full panoramic glass roof making a big visual statement. At the rear, you'll find a clean finish, twin exhausts, front and rear parking sensors, and a reverse camera for everyday ease. Powered by a 1.6-liter petrol engine with G-Tronic Plus automatic transmission. At the front, the AMG styling gives the C Class an aggressive yet elegant edge, with a bold grille, sculpted lines, and signature LED lighting. This coupe offers smooth, efficient performance. Cruise control and stop-start technology round out the drive. Inside, enjoy heated front seats, a premium dashboard layout, and full tech including navigation, Bluetooth, and DAB radio, all within a refined, driver-focused cabin. For more details, visit bvgautomotive.co.uk or call 0161 399 1629, quote YS150SX for a test drive or personalized video tour.